Hello, good day. My name is Raspberry Emmanuel B. Galiana. I am 20 years old. I am currently seeking an opportunity as a medical virtual assistant. I am graduated from senior high school under the strand of ICT, where I developed strong computer and technical skills. In addition, I am also a graduate of Healthcare Services NC2, which gave me a foundational knowledge in patient care, medical procedures, and healthcare support. To further enhance my skills, I completed medical virtual assistant training, where I learned tasks such as appointment scheduling, medical data entry, patient communication, and basic healthcare administration. I also have a certificates to support my training and qualifications. I am detail-oriented, organized, and eager to learn. I am confident that I can provide reliable and efficient support to healthcare professionals. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with your team.